Hi, my name is Brandon Simons, and I am applying for the Green Video Scholarship. A bit about myself: I currently attend Illinois Institute of Technology. I'm in my second year studying electrical engineering. On campus, I am heavily involved with the Leadership Academy. This is my scholarship here at the university, and I'm also president of Engineers for a Sustainable World. Before I get into the whole why I should be getting the scholarship or attending the Green program I want to talk about my career ambitions. So currently, I want to major in electrical engineering with a specialty in power, and within that power, go into renewable energy and sustainable energy. Further in my career, I want to go into policy, so I want to become a leader and a great spokesperson for the U.S. to kind of be that advocate for, hey, let's use more sustainable energy, sustainability in general, getting people to change their habits of over consuming everything and using goods and products that are actually safe from the environment, and getting that really idea of sustainability for the future generations. We're leaving this planet to our offspring, and we need to make sure that it's going to be ready and that their mindsets are ready. It's going to take, and my whole belief is it's going to take time. You're not going to see it in one generation. Probably starting the second generation, and the third is you're going to change the mindset of people. And we're starting it right now, but being involved in policy and being a leader and foundation for change, that's what I want to do. And so the Green program really emphasizes on this aspect. I think of creating the future environmental and sustainable leaders for tomorrow. And with the Iceland trip being specific towards renewable energy, getting in contact with leaders, seeing how people are using policy, how industrial leaders are utilizing policy, and how can I help with that as a student, as an environmental leader, and what can I do on campus possibly, how can I educate people. So this is not a project I'm just doing for myself. I want to take this back to my campus. I want to teach them about these things. I am president of Engineers for a Sustainable World. I'm going to probably turn around my lab because this is my heart and the goal of my personal kind of fostering child that I'm not doing when I'm studying. So I'll show you what we're doing as well. But I really want to emphasize that this is something that I don't want to use just for myself, but utilize the knowledge to really affect those around me. With that, I want to take you around our lab space where I'm in right now. So this is basically all the projects that I have in my university so far. So our 3 projects is first like our solar project right here. We're creating USB solar charging stations on campus, as well as we're going to have a research project for building a foldable solar panel. So we're going to solder all these cells together. They're going to collapse over, so it'd be like a transportable solar panel for people to use. Right here is where we have our spirulina. Spirulina is an edible algae that you can grow. We're looking to see if we can create biofilm from it, but we kind of want to sell these as smoothies if people actually eat these as smoothies. I hope that they do. But it's growing great, and hopefully we can start sending these off to places where they really need nutrition. And we're going to swing over here to the back area. Right here is going to be our first basic hydroponics unit, and so these are tomatoes. I'm super excited because right here we have first fruit forming. This is just a project that happened last December. We're exploring with vertical hydroponics and horizontal hydroponic systems and layouts. But this is the kind of the first start of it. And as you swing all the way back around over here to our lab, you can see our poster right there. This space where this wood's going to be is our new hydroponic space. So we're going to have PVC tubes that are all going to be lined up with different growth pods that are going to be growing plants. We also are going to have a tiny house that's being formed right now. So the tiny house is going to be teaching people about how you can live sustainably, kind of using all the things that you have, just living in a small enclosed area. So a tiny house is typically on a trailer. We're not sure we're going to do a trailer or like use an old bus or something. And then our last project is going to be a composting bin, which we started yesterday. We're going to build our own composting bin on campus, take food from fraternities, sororities, and also our commons, which is our dining options for students. So what I'm really trying to get here is, I'm not doing this just like, okay, resume builder. I'm not doing this to show people that, yes, I care, I'm green, let's be trendy. I'm doing this because I want to take it back to people. Part of ESW, I organize our volunteer trips. We go to your building exchange. We go to a place called Plant, and we also do like park cleanups, building exchange. I think I said that, working bikes. But all those places is where we can go and see people who are motivated to do the same thing. And that's the biggest thing, is motivating people. On campus, my leadership is, I think, quite big. I was part of SGA. I left it for ESW because I find that this needed a real leader and impact, which I think we have done, and many more people know about us on campus now. Also, let's see, other leadership, I'm a student ambassador on campus. I lead tours around. So I think what I'm trying to say is I know how to like lead people. I know how to like be a good communicator, and right now from this program I can see how I can take that to the next step. Talking to professional staff, having connections. One thing I want to bring out here is I'll be in a group of students who are motivated and are focused, and that is really essential for having a network of people that you can work with, talk to, communicate, get advice from. Hopefully with industry leaders, I'm going to bring as many business cards as my wallet can fit, or just bring my back pocket, doesn't matter. I want to spread myself to other people so I can show them what my aspirations are. The green program, the people who are involved can show me what they're doing, get ideas from me, I get ideas from them, and kind of share the wealth of knowledge. And of course, I want to expand my knowledge of, energy systems, policy, and all that. And I already covered that, but the main thing is bringing these ideas and these concepts to people who are not aware, who are beginning to be aware, so that they can be part of this difference, this kind of global revolutionary idea that we have to get started on. Being sustainable, being green, understanding these concepts. And so this program is going to make me that leader that I want to be. And that's why I'm applying for the scholarship.